Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody.
My name is Amanda Salma Nabil.
And my name is Aurelia Natasha Putri.
And we are from Wait, what?
Who don't know about email? I'm sure everybody knows, but not everyone make an email by themselves. So in this video, we're gonna tell you how to make an email account.
First of all, material. The first you need is PC or laptop. And make sure your PC is connected with the internet access. The steps are: first, open the web and enter the address www.gmail.com. This will open a page with information regarding Gmail. If the page shows like this, you can click create an account to have a new account. And then, enter your first and last name. Type your first name into the first name text box near the top of the page. Then enter your last name in the last name box next to it. After that, create a Gmail username. In the username text box, type in the username you want to use for your email address. This is the name which appears before the @gmail.com section of the address. If your selected username is already taken, you'll be asked to choose a different one upon clicking a different text box on the page. You must enter a password twice. Type your preferred password into the password text box near the bottom of the page. Then type the same password into the confirm password box to the right of the first password. This password must match before you can proceed. And then click next. It's a blue button at the bottom of the page. Enter account recovery options. The first one is phone number. Type your phone number into the phone number text box near the top of the page. And the second one is recovery email address. Type any other email address into the recovery email address text box near the top of the page. And remember, this is option. Next, add your date of birth. Click the month drop-down box and select the month of your birthday. Then, type the day and year into the day and year text boxes respectively. Then, select a gender. Click the gender drop-down box. Click next. Verify your phone number. If you edit a phone number as an account recovery option, you can verify it now by doing the following. Click send when prompted. Open your phone's text message. Open the message from Google. Usually, a 5-digit number. Enter the 6-digit number into the text box on the Gmail page. Click verify. Scroll down and click I agree. And finally, you have a new Gmail account.